Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is May the 29th. We are out here in Atlanta, the North Side Drive area. I went out this morning for a repeat client. I'm going to give him a quote for his marble countertops. He wants to get clean and sealed. So anyway, guys, we're about to do a vacant home. This is a client that reached out to me. They never did an in-home consultation. They just sent pictures and the square footage. A little bit over 1,200 square feet. Wood floors. Going to be doing some wood floors. Screen recoat, color correction, no UV cure because again they're just moving out of the house. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we just got here, just came from Midtown. Now we are in another part of Atlanta off of Northside Drive. So these are the floors we're going to be doing. As you can see, some wear right here. You got some wear right here. We're going to be doing some color correction. Also right here. So anyway, guys, overall, this is one of her major concerns right here by the stove. Do some color correction right there. This whole area right here is just super worn. All the way back here. Just really just a worn floor where it's really has started to tap into the finish and the stain. So we're gonna bring this floor back to life. You got a little discoloration right there. All right, guys, and then also we have two rooms downstairs. This room I'm going to start on, which is not too bad. Look, now this is a laundry room. I think that's a restroom. And two rooms upstairs. And these rooms are not bad at all. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, coating is going down. My favorite part. I love rolling. Had a few more consultations come in, paid consultations, and I had one guy in Decatur. He's moving into a home, and I said he's going to send some pictures. Oh yeah, that looks great. That looks great. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let me zoom in a little bit. Look at these floors now. Man, that floor came out great. Guys, go back. Remember the before, all the worn out. One of my special techniques, color correction. Look at that, guys. Again, like it never even happened. I got that off a movie or a script or something. Also, right here by the stove, this is one of her main concerns. Remember right there at the beginning, like it never even happened. All right, this whole high traffic area, guys, is just super worn. Look how the color's back. Looks so, man, this floor it looks great. Stand back, see what Tavares is standing. Oh, that looks really good. All right. Here, yep, front of the window. Oh, this just came out so good. So good. All right, guys. Well, our day is done. I'll tell you one thing about being a floor guy. We always come in mostly last. I've had 2 appointments. One this week we supposed to did yesterday, and one tomorrow. They both had to reschedule because of painters. And I've been in the home service industry for over 20 years, and I have never met one painter that has ever been done when they say they was going to be done. I had a client tell me one time, she was like, "No, Courtney, this is my painter. He's going to be done." I said, "Okay." I said, if he is, he's a first. But I said, well, because what happened is when they get on my schedule and they cancel at the last minute, that's a whole day going. Unless I can like kind of finagle my schedule. And I never forget, she called back like 3 days before. She said, "Courtney, you're right. He's going to need about 2 more days." I said, I told you. All right, guys. Oh, this floor looks amazing. Amazing. All right, and then also we did the stairs, the hallway. Remember the laundry room? Beautiful. This room right here, top notch. All right, guys. See you in the next one.